How to fix Discord loading chunk failed. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Discord. Once you're in the home page, try refreshing the app. Close the app and then reopen it. Once done, the next thing you want to try doing is check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to stable Wi-Fi. Once done, now head over to App Store and make sure that you are using the updated version of Discord. If not, click on Update and update your app to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device, move into General, and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Discord and then move into it. Now, click on Offload App, and then once again, click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Discord, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.